Okay. So last class we finished with causes and effects of water pollution. You guys have discussed what is the case study of Ganga, what is happening to river Ganga, and we are going to do what is potable water. Okay, these two topics we'll do now. So what is happening to river Ganga? I can see Arfat has raised his hand. Arfat, go ahead.
Ma'am, that Ganga river is getting polluted.
Yes. It is getting polluted because of what, Arfat?
Because of people are dumping this garbage and killing died animals are going in that river.
Yes. And what else? I'm going to let Abdul share. Thank you, Arfat, for starting us off. Ganga is getting polluted. Who said that Ganga is getting polluted? There's a mention of one organization or something that said Ganga is getting polluted. Yes, Manan.
Ma'am, by doing all activities of people's, ma'am.
Yes, all people are doing activity like what?
Like bathing, like factories waste and
Plastic waste.
Like plastic waste, factories
yes,
ka waste,
washing
humans are
clothes,
doing some washing and all.
defecation in water that became.
Will help.
Guys, raise your hand. Yes, Manan, keep talking.
By garbage and by washing clothes and getting lots of pollution there. And after that, the government has take that plan to.
Okay, stop, Manan.
clean.
Chandru, go ahead. What is this plan that government has done? Yes, Chandru.
Taking that garbage out.
Okay. What are the two plans that government or two steps that government took to protect Ganga? Yes. Go ahead.
India has launched a new initiative known as National Mission for Clean Ganga.
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
In 2016.
Yes. In 2016. And usse pehle, before National Mission for Clean Ganga, what did government do?
I can tell, ma'am.
Yes, Arfat.
Ma'am, in 1986, that this government made the Ganga Action Plan.
Yes, Ganga Action Plan and National Mission for Clean Ganga. I'm going to let Abdul Shahid also talk. What are they talking about? Ganga being dead in some places. What does that mean? Which place are they talking about? They talk about one place in particular. Abdul Shahid or Chandru. Any one of you two can answer. They're talking about one place in particular जहाँ पे गंगा बहुत ज़्यादा ही polluted है. That in that place Ganga is very very polluted. What is that place? Husna, go ahead.
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. And in Uttar Pradesh, which place?
Kanpur.
Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, perfect. Guys, amazing. Thank you, Arfat, Manan, Husna, Alfia. Abdul Shahid answered a little bit and Chandru also little bit. Thank you for answering. So what happened with Ganga, river Ganga, is that all the cities nearby have been polluting it a lot. Okay. It is also said that Ganga is dead at many places. What do you understand that Ganga is dead at many places?
Can tell, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the water which goes to another cities has stopped, ma'am.
Okay, Umesh, I could see you also raised your hand. Go ahead. I saw it late. Umesh, can you answer? Arfat has given me some answer.
Umesh told he can't unmute himself.
Yes, he messaged in chat box.
I'm sorry. Umesh, can you unmute now? I don't know if he's able to. Okay. Abdul Shahid, you have raised your hand. All right. Nobody is answering, so I'm going to tell you. River Ganga is dead at many places, which means In some places, कुछ जगह में pollution is so high, इतना ज़्यादा high है कि all the living organisms there are dead. Okay, कुछ जगह गंगा में some places are there जहाँ पे pollution is too high and all the living organisms are dead in that place. So river Ganga is said to be like top 10 endangered rivers. How do you think rivers get endangered? You know what is endangered, right? Can you tell me what is the meaning of endangered?
I can tell, ma'am.
Yes. Go ahead. What is endangered?
I can
Yes.
tell, ma'am.
Arfat asked, so I'm gonna. Arfat, you've answered a lot. Let me ask Manan. Okay, Manan, go ahead.
Ma'am, endangered means something is getting to extinct.
Yes, something is about to get extinct. Sahil, yes.
That only, ma'am.
Okay, something that is about to get over, जो खत्म होने के end पे है. जैसे all the lions, they can end if we don't take care. So same way, river Ganga can also खत्म हो जाएगा. It will end or it will become bad or it will not stay as a proper river if we keep polluting it. Okay, so it is called a endangered river. So whenever the question asks, tell about case study of Ganga. Okay, so you can start by saying that Ganga is an endangered river and there's a lot of pollution that has happened because of human activities, because of which Ganga is dead at many places. Do you want me to repeat in Hindi? If you want me to, can you give me a thumbs up? Orko sir, can you give me just 5 more minutes? Okay, so Ganga is a river जो बहुत ज्यादा pollute हो चुका है, वो एक endangered river कहलाता है क्योंकि वो खत्म होने के उस पॉइंट तक पहुंच चुका है कि एक टाइम के बाद रिवर गंगा विल बी डेड, वो मर चुका होगा. ठीक है, यानी डेड रिवर यानी देयर इज नो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इन दैट रिवर. लाइक यू नो डेड सी, राइट?
Yes, ma'am. I have doubt.
Yes. Hold on to your doubt. Dead sea, there are no living organisms like that. Ganga can also become dead if we don't take care of it. अगर हम उसका ख्याल नहीं रखेंगे तो गंगा भी खत्म हो जाएगा. तो उसको बचाने के लिए, to save Ganga, government has taken 2 steps. One was Ganga Action Plan in 1985. It said that we are going to try and reduce all the pollution levels in Ganga. ठीक है, हम गंगा में जितने भी pollution levels हैं उसको कम करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Okay, but already वो river बहुत damage हो चुका था. It was really damaged. So the Ganga Action Plan, it did not work that well. So then next step government took is National Mission for Clean Ganga. Okay, so they made one more plan that we should save Ganga, we should make it more clean. So they made one more plan in 2016. Okay, एक और plan बनाया 2016 में. Now यहाँ पे आपको कानपुर का case study दिया है. They are talking about one particular place, Kanpur, where Ganga is flowing, and there Ganga is a very small part of Ganga is flowing, and every person there, you can see in the picture also, they are washing something, they are doing some sort of nonsense activities in the river, and they are also saying that Uttar Pradesh has over 5,000 industries. Industries yani? Kanpur has almost 5,000 industries. Industries as in?
Like factories, doing chemicals.
Yes. Like factories. And we already studied, हमने पढ़ लिया है कि जो factories हैं, जैसे fertilizer industries होती है, detergents बनाने वाली factory, leather factory, paint industries, all these factories will send out all the dirty water to the river only. So imagine 5,000 industries are putting all these wastewater into Ganga. So in that one place, Ganga has become very polluted. Okay, and after that only we studied all the causes and effects yesterday. Okay, so I hope you've written the causes and effects in your notebooks. And the next part was potable water. Who can tell me what is potable water? I want new students to answer. Orko sir, just please give me 2 more minutes. It's almost done.
I can tell, ma'am.
Some new students. Alfia, go ahead. What is potable water?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Potable water is water which is suitable for drinking.
जो water आप पी सकते हो, that is called potable water. Okay, guys, earth is made up of so much water, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So then, have you ever thought कि how does water की कमी come also? Water की कमी क्यों होती है? Even if there's so much water, why do we have water shortage?
I can tell, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Because
Umesh and Arfat,
the
both. Go
ma'am,
ahead, Arfat.
please.
Go. Then Umesh.
ma'am,
Arfat, then Umesh.
let Umesh answer, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead, Umesh.
Ma'am, because of rivers like this Ganga rivers, ma'am.
Because of rivers like Ganga river. Okay, what do you mean by that? Shayad, I'll ask you next.
Ma'am, so many there is sea or lakes that made of salt waters, and there's so many big like sea.
Okay.
Sea.
Sayyid Shahid, do you think we can drink all those water from sea and
I
all
can
these
tell, ma'am.
rivers?
No, ma'am.
No, we cannot. Yes, Arfat, go ahead now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
most of the water we have on earth is not drinkable. That's why we have problems of water.
Okay, so already most of the water that is there on earth is salty water. You cannot drink it. Okay, and already the remaining amount of water, which is like very less amount, that also we are polluting. So we won't be able to drink that water later on. So potable water का मतलब होता है the पानी or the water which is शुद्ध or it is pure and we can drink it. Okay, the water that comes in your house, that is potable water, you can use it. So how do we really make potable water from this polluted water that is there? Okay, so they have given some 3 steps. Do you remember wastewater treatment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you need to remember this word. Like hospital में जब हम बीमार होते हैं, what do we go and get?
Treatment.
We go and get treatment. Just like that, water is also polluted. Water is very sick. So we need to give treatment to water to make it better. Okay. So what are these 3 steps that we can take to make water drinkable? ताकि हम उसे use कर सके. What are the 3 steps? First step, who can tell me?
We can boil that water
We can boil the water. What else?
with chemicals.
We can boil it. Next step. I should be on mute if you're not
I can
answering.
kindly put
Yes.
up.
आपके घरों में ऐसे एक रेक्टेंगल सा चीज रखा होता है क्या जिसमें
I
से 2
can put
सिलेंडर होते हैं?
in a filter also, ma'am.
Filtration.
Cleaning.
And what is the third step? So many of you go to swimming pool ना? Swimming pool के पानी में सबसे ज्यादा एक चीज होता है. What is it? Starts with C.
Ma'am, chlorination.
Chlorine. Okay, chlorination. So there are 3 things. The first point that they're saying is you need to filter. ठीक है? Filtration is a physical method. यानी उसमें chemicals use नहीं होता. Arshad, be on mute. Filtration is a physical method. यानी उसमें chemicals are not used. You just put a filter. You pass the water through the filter. In the household filter, it looks like a candle like this. There are 2 candles just inside and you can filter your water from that. We can also boil the water to kill all the organisms that are there inside that water. You already know boiling, you can do it at home also to kill the germs. And the third one is chlorination. So boiling and filtration are both physical methods. Okay, I want you to make a note of this. Just write this. Boiling and filtration are physical methods and chlorination are chemical method. Chlorination is chemical method. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to ask you what are the physical methods of purifying water? What are the chemical methods of purifying water? So you need to tell me boiling, filtration and chlorination. Clear? Is it clear? All of you give me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in chlorination, you put chlorine. आप बहुत ज़्यादा amount of chlorine डालते हो, chlorine tablets. Like in your swimming pool, you can smell something very different, right? When you go to swimming pool, that smell is of chlorine. Okay, how many of you have smelled that? How many of you know what smell I'm talking about?
Salty water.
It's not salty water. Swimming pool water is not salty water. It is there's a lot of chlorine in it. That's why you take bath after coming out of swimming pool. Yes or no? In your swimming pool, is there some shower?
Ma'am,
Yes.
in that chlorine, no, that can be purified, ma'am. That chlorine water is purified.
Yes, chlorine डालने से germs are killed. Okay, like bleaching powder.
But
if you
we can
put,
that kill, ma'am. That we can drink, ma'am. That
no,
that is
of course
purified.
not. No, you should not drink that water. That's why they say swimming pool water you should not drink. Okay, in swimming pool, people do all sort of nonsense things. Okay, nobody knows underwater what all
Yes,
they are
ma'am.
doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so they need to add chlorine so that all the germs that are there from your body, chlorine and bleaching powder can kill the germs. Okay, so bleaching powder and chlorine se germs mar jate hain, but you should not drink the water because chlorine is not good for health. So if you accidentally drink little amount of swimming pool water also, it's okay, but too much amount is not good. Okay, so be careful. Please wear your like head cap, your goggles, nose wala clip, all those things you should wear. Okay, is this clear now? Give me a 6 to 5 on chat box quickly. How much you understood, and then I'm going to stop the class.